Guys, look at this stuff, dude. Look at this stuff. Be quiet. Be quiet. No, I don't know. Look at this stuff, dude. Come on. This is at my house. Look at this. I don't even have internet, so I don't even know how. Dude, it uprooted this tree. It uprooted a tree. This tree is still standing. I know. Look at this stuff. Look at it. It destroyed the frick out of these trees. We just had a bad storm come through. Like, probably the worst I've ever seen in my entire life.
You know the doors that I buried?
Yeah.
Oh, they're unburied?
Yeah. Look at this stuff. There's still thunder out, but I don't give two F's. Sport?
No. That's what we buried.
That's fine. Look, it's away from everything. No, but look at this stuff, dude. It sucks. Let's go over there to that tree my dad's friend's cutting down. This is all wrong. I'm not editing bullcrap. Our fence is dead again. Our fence is down again. Look at that. Oh, did the chain break?
No, it popped off.
So are you taking... Okay guys, I'm running up to the fort right now because we just had the worst straight line wind I've ever seen. As you guys saw, first freaking clip. The fort is still standing somehow. Over 70-mile-an-hour freaking winds. I don't even freaking get this. Generators running around. We're out of power, out of internet, we're out of everything right now. I hate Tennessee, dude. Tennessee sucks for weather. Holy crap. I knew something was gonna come back and hit us hard. Okay, the only thing that happened is the fort. It's not even damaged. We're good. Campfire's fine. It just blew the rocks. Bro, look at that. I'm not even going back there. I will go back there tomorrow. Wait, no, frick. Tomorrow's supposed to be storm. Oh no. Tonight's supposed to not be stormy. Tomorrow night's supposed to be really bad. Frick. Hey. It's fine.